Hey, it's Gina with WTI. Is there anything quite as cozy as snuggling up with a soft wool blanket? Now, you may be thinking, a wool blanket, isn't that going to be so itchy and uncomfortable? Well, I am so happy to tell you that is not the case with these wool blankets from Ritzy. They are made from super fine merino wool. It feels so soft and luxurious on my skin that I've actually started taking it everywhere with me. I take it to friends' houses, I use it outside, in the car, in the home, obviously. Anytime I'm going to be somewhere that I might have even the slightest amount of chill, I'm taking this throw with me. I think the colors on this blanket are just stunning. I got the driftwood taupe, and I love that the colors are really beautifully neutral, and so they can go with a lot of different decor. I really like that this throw is on the bigger side. It's 80 by 60 inches. I love that it covers almost the entirety of my queen size bed, but it's not too big that, again, that I can't take it with me when I want to use it outside the home. I think that the tassels on them are just adorable. The little fuzzy ends just remind me of the little lambs that these came from, and they're really well made. I can see that they're not going to get tangled up or fray easily. One of the things that you'll really appreciate about this blanket is that it is machine washable. I've been using this basically every day for a few weeks, and there's no pilling or shedding. It's just in absolutely pristine condition, just like when I got it. As you can tell, I just love this blanket, and I know that it's going to last me for many, many years, so I can look forward to enjoying it for a long time to come. If you're looking for a gorgeous, lightweight, quality blanket, then I recommend checking out Ritzy, and that's my point of view.